Biafra Liberation Army. Hey, he don't send another message, yo. Go give those people waiting say Biafra no go come. He say this year he go be back to back and bozai. No be only people still dey talk say this year wey be 2024 say dem no go gree o. Now Biafra Liberation Army don come outside with a new style. For this video wey I go play you right now, no be only me go hear this. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balaba GC. If it's not the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku, see dey here dey bring you update back to back as e dey hot. This commander, what they call Commander Holy Ghost, no be small thing o. They say the guy don come outside though. He don come outside come talk another one. He say that this 2024, he say Biafra must come. He say they will never keep their Kalao. Oh, no be small thing. He said, thank God for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Say, if you say no be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the disciple, according to what he talk for this video, will be Simon Ekpa. He said things for the happen for Southeast, well. But I want you to share this video before I go show you the video of what they talk. Because you know, say here I would like to back our update with video. May you still they follow up waiting they go on. I beg share this video and make sure say they follow this page for more updates as they hot. Let's watch the video together before we will come back or continue.
Today is 6th January 2024. Do you see things we are joking? What is happening to Plateau could have happened to you if not Chukwu Kikabiama sent person like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his disciple Simon Ekpa. By now, as you are returning back from Lagos and Abuja, you couldn't have seen your family. You couldn't have even seen anywhere again to put your head. Then you could have known that, hey, you are finished. So therefore, if you get the message, don't forget to find iron, knife, cutlass. If you can buy gun, get one, keep by your side to take defend yourself. Because heavy rain have started. Tan 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 tan. I don't want to dwell long in this broadcast. Share it and let it reach those that have ear to hear. Let it go far, because when the message reach the cripple on time, he can escape danger. So I want to thank you people so very much who have been complying. We don't believe in talking too much this time around. We have been feeding you with all the necessary information that will sustain you, that will save you from danger. And we believe that those information are still intact in your brain, unless you are one of the fool or foolish person that just choose to hold rifle on his hand and then wait and pray for the enemy to destroy him. It sounds funny. So therefore, we might not be having that much time to come and chat with you. Rather, you'll be seeing our thesis. Whenever we have time, we drop notice. We drop text, we drop picture, we drop doings, because we are no more in talk. We are now in doing this. You know the quote, no grief for anybody. That is a quote of this year. We can never agree for them any longer. Yes, 2024 is the year of declarations, of restorations, of independent state of United Biafra. It's going to be tough. We call it the last fight of restoration. 2024 is the last fight of the declarations of Biafra. It's going to be very tough. Those of you who watch American film, you know how last fight normally be. We are in the very last phase of this struggle. Put on your seatbelt and get ready to move in the high speed. People will die. People will live. But at the end, we will have a long-lasting peace and joy and freedom we have been hearing for. And our children and our children unborn will enjoy this land of Biafra without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Hausas, without the presence of Yoruba, without the presence of Britain in it. Just the same way we have sworn an oath to make this place, the place that was handed over to us by our ancestors, that we are going to hand over to them in a very good faith. Then they will understand, the world will understand that we do not joke when we make a vow. The whole world is going to understand that we do not play with our promises, not even when the one we make to our children, our blood, because our children can never face this danger that our father faced, our forefather faced and leave it to our fathers, and our father face it and leave it to us. We have taken an oath that we can never leave this faith to our children. Never. Even though it costs our life, so be it. That the world may understand that this is the land of our ancestors. And in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. Nothing can move us an inch. Nothing. No matter how many you are, you step your foot in the land of Biafra in the name of to kill the child of the soil, you must die. You even think of killing us, you will die. You come to kill us, you will die. That is how it is. You have no peace. Nigeria will never see peace. Nigeria can never see peace. Nigeria will never... See, let me tell you, and permit me to also pass this message to Britain. All of you that have part, that share part in destroying Africa, Japan just start, Japan, yes, Japan just start their own punishment. After Japan, Britain go serve their own punishment. Germany go serve their own punishment. All of you that have been destroying Africa, France, wait for your punishment. Is coming heavily. You understand what is called the law of karma. All of you. So therefore, I will leave that talk to another day. From me, from the land of the rising sun, it is still good money for those who are good for Biafra, and a very bad money for the enemy of Biafra. Today is Nkwo, the last market day in the holy land of Biafra. And I will say, that may the blessing of Nkwo, the glory of Nkwo, and the victory of Nkwo pursue all the good children of Biafra and overtake them and shower them. Your enemy can never rejoice over you. Your enemy can never rejoice over you. They can never make mouth in your presence. The evil eye that look at you will blind. The evil leg that pursue you will break, will paralyze. The head that look for you will cut off. Yes, so shall it be forever. But for the enemies of the children of light, today Nkwo will destroy every plan, will destroy you, and you'll be paralyzed forever and ever. Thank you very much, and remain blessed. We are still watching the enemy because we have no sleep until we are totally free. From your brother in the battlefield, it is still good morning.
People, share this video and make sure say you dey follow this page. Share the video so that other people will dey get the update of wetin dey go on. No be small thing o. Say you don hear am for this video with your own ear. Abeg, wetin you go do for us now na to share the video and make sure say you dey follow this page. Make sure say you dey follow this page and let us know your own opinion for inside comment section as you dey hug. Don't forget to share the video and follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know what you think for inside comment section. No be small thing, no things dey happen.